Hey, listen up, guys and girls. Today we're going to be learning the fine art of painting risers on a staircase. So follow along and you're going to learn a lot. We're going to get the risers done today. Let's start at the top. We got a small one up here. You're going to put your bucket a couple down. You're going to tap it. You're going to wipe it off this time. Very important. Then we're going to start up here and we're going to push it up there and we're going to draw a straight line. We're going to get the stain. See the stain we're covering over? There you go. You got this. We're going to get down. We're going to go down into the 45 with a couple of our bristles. Do you see that there? And then we're going to draw a straight line down. We're not touching the trim down there, just touching the trim. We're going to cut it in. Dunk your brush, start high, then work your way down lower. Okay, dunk your brush, use your other hand and move your body over, cut in the stain. See the stain's gone? And then start low into the corner and draw a straight line down. There you go, you guys got this, you girls got this. Okay, let's move down the next step. Down one, let's get up here into the 45, get that stain up under the tread. We're not touching the tread, we're just touching the stain. They stained in repolyurethane. Start high, work your way down into that 45, draw a straight line back, put some paint in there, fill it up, draw a straight line back, feather all this in, dunk your brush, continue on, start a little high, then work your way down, draw a straight line, see that? Dunk your brush, turn your body, put it up under here, work your way down into the 45, feather over your work. Go down another step on your bum, start up here in the 45, get the stain, see the stain up under there? Draw a straight line. There you go. Dunk your brush. Start high. Work your way down into the corner. Now draw a straight line. There you go. You guys got this. You girls got this. Draw a straight line all the way down. Now feather over your work. Dunk your brush. Turn your body. Put it up in there. Draw a straight line back. Cover that stain. Work your way down. Go into the 45. Draw a straight line. You guys got this. You girls got this. Pretty simple when you start to know how to do this stuff. Okay, feather over your work. Go down one more on your bum. Dunk your brush. Put it up into the 45 up here. Draw a straight line back. See that? You guys got this. You girls got this. Very simple. Dunk your brush. Start high. Work your way down. And then draw a straight line back. Fill it in. Draw a straight line. Go over your work. Dunk your brush. Continue down. Dunk your brush. Move your body. Do this up here. Work your way down. Start in the 45. Draw a straight line back. Go over your work to get the brush strokes in. Now move down the step on another step with your bum. Okay, here we go. Start up high. Get that stain up under there. Draw a straight line. Okay, move your body right into the corner. Draw a straight line. Go over your work. Fill the hole in. Fill that. There you go. Move down again on your bum. Look at your work so far. Looks fantastic. Dunk your brush. Get up under here. Draw a straight line all the way back. Dunk the brush. Start high. Now go down lower. Draw a straight line back. Dunk your brush. Turn your body. Paint up in this one. Bring it down lower. Okay, move down the stairs on your bum. Let's get this. Start high. Now work your way down. Turn your body. Draw a straight line down. Feather over your work. Dunk your brush. Get up under there. Start high. Work your way down. We're going to get the brush up under there. Draw a straight line. Let's put it in the corner. Put it in the corner. There you go. Draw a straight line back. Feather over your work. Okay, let's finish this. Go right down there and make a straight line. Put it up into the 45. There you go. Draw a straight line back. You guys got this. You girls got this. Very simple. Feather over your work to blend it all in and leave the graining. Wow, look at that. That's very impressive. You did a good work. You should be proud of your work, guys and girls. See how simple it is when you know how to do it. Anybody can do this.